Hey guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today I'm going to share the number one reason why you should be on LinkedIn. I have a new statistics fresh off the press, June 2021. Question is, why should you be on LinkedIn? And the answer is because the audience perceives content on LinkedIn as very credible. In fact, over 94% perceive LinkedIn as a platform with the least amount of deceptive content. That means anything from scams, clickbait, fake news. And compare this to other platforms. I actually have to bring out my phone to read this off. I'm going to put this on screen later. But basically, LinkedIn is on the top. 94% think the platform has the least deceptive content, followed by YouTube, 53%. Then Twitter, 49%. And then comes the big drop. We're getting down to Instagram, 29%. No questions asked. Everyone knows all those fake influencers with like their fake lifestyle. And then it goes down even further. Facebook, 21%, especially all of those wrong news that we have seen so many times over the last recent months and years. And there you have it. LinkedIn is just like a platform which has pre-built trust. That means by default, anyone will take your content more seriously. Could share the identical posts on each of those platforms, and the random sample of people who have never heard of you before would just automatically perceive you sometimes more than twice or up to 5 times more credible just because you're posting on LinkedIn versus on any other platform. That's how great of a reputation LinkedIn has. And when you want to take advantage to use LinkedIn to grow your business, this is the best starting point, because you can really quickly build an audience because you have pre-built trust, and it's not that difficult to show others about your business, what you're up to build more trust. And then building, the more pre-trust you have, the less trust you have to build on top until someone is ready to make a purchasing decision. And that's really what we can see day in, day out on LinkedIn. It's just the best platform to publish content on LinkedIn, to build trust with your audience, to show what you're doing. If you want to see how to actually do that, you can also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program. It's my complete A to Z client attraction system. It shows you how to find the right audience, select the right content clusters so you can write about topics that they're actually interested in, and then how to structure your content so you're actually building trust, building a complete LinkedIn sales funnel so you can bring people over from LinkedIn to a more controlled environment such as your website or online shop, and then how we can convert them into paying customers. I'm going to put the link down in the description below. You can also find another link for my free LinkedIn hashtag guide that you can download there. If you want to get more videos like this, also make sure that you subscribe, turn the notifications on, and smash like. I see you in the next one. Bye.